Hey, I'm Svenja from Fashion Sewista, and in this video I want to show you how you can make this little elastic bands, elastic curls by yourself from fabric, and how you can really wear it in different styles. So this is a face mask, as you can see, and I did it myself. I did the cutting pattern myself, and in the other videos, if you want to subscribe to my channel or just check it out, there are a lot of videos about this face mask, how to do the cutting pattern, how to sew it, how to cut the fabric, and if you want to subscribe to my newsletter, feel free to do that on fashionsewista.com. There you will get the cutting patterns in size S, M, and L as a free download. So now this is one style, as you can see, and I will show you how you can do them in a minute. This is one style, but I really will not recommend them for people who wear glasses. This cutting pattern is really good for people who wear glasses because we have this whole thing here a little bit more down, but it is up to the nose as well. So if you wear glasses, then you have this here, and even the, I don't know the English name, things from the glasses over here, and that might be not really comfortable. This is a normal face masks often are on the sides with two circles, but you can make the knot in another style. I will show you a little bit more in detail in a second, but this is how you can, just when you have it like this, you just put the upper one together and like this, okay? This guy's together. Come on. So, and you can see what I mean. So now the easiest way is you make this a little bit bigger, put it over your head, then you make it down here on the sides again, and then you put the other one up. So this way you just have this elastics. I think it's only called elastics, right? So you do not have them behind the ears, you have them all around your head, and it fits really good, and I think this is a really good alternative for the normal behind the ears. And yeah, I would just show you how you can make them, because here in Germany the people go so crazy. We do not have this elastics anymore, and we do them ourselves. Just make sure that you do use cotton fabric for the elastics, because of course you have to wash them very hot because of the bacteria and all the kind of stuff that is going inside the fabric. So you have to wash them too. And I think this is even a good thing to use all your little tiny pieces of jersey that you never know what you have to do with them. So here we go. And I would recommend for the elastic bands that you will use a cotton jersey, and you already see that it rolls on the edges, right? So we want to use them for our face mask, and you just, like, how many is it? 22 centimeters, 33 plus 4. So just take this one. This one is like 37 centimeters, and we'll make it like 3 centimeters. So it's really not about taking a millimeter measurement. If you want to, feel free, but it's more about we have to have some elastic bands for our face mask, right? So, and now you can just put it like this, and it's like perfect elastic curl, noodle, band. And now we can just put it through here. And then you can you can wear them behind the ears, or you can wear them behind the head. If you make them a little bit longer, just like I did, then you can wear them even behind the head. And this is really comfortable for people who wear glasses, because they do not have this double, like the glasses things behind the ears, and then this one too. So I would just show you. This is how you make the knots when you want the people to wear the elastic bands behind the head, right? Like this. This one goes on the upside, this one goes on the downside, and here's the nose and here's the chin. And if you want them to make them behind the ears, you just knot them like this. Here, like this and this, and then they can make it behind the ears. Okay, feel free to subscribe to my channel, visit me on my homepage, download the free cutting pattern on fashionsewista.com, or just join our Facebook group, Fashion Sewista Family, on Facebook. And yeah, I would love to see some of your face masks, really, and I would love to connect with some of you. So see you soon.